Hi, my name is Jay with 5 Star Fitness, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite green smoothie recipe, alright? So, you're going to need a liquid base for this. You can use water, coconut water, or almond milk. Personally, I like using coconut water because the potassium content is going to speed up your metabolism and increase the hydration. After that, you're going to need 1 cup of ice. Then your leafy greens. You can use spinach, kale, or lettuce. Personally, I like spinach, so that's what we're gonna roll with today. So once you have your base in there of the greens, you're gonna blend it on low. Once your base is set, you're gonna squeeze a half a lemon into the mix. Following the lemon, we're gonna add 1 stalk of celery, 1 banana, one green apple, and 1 entire pear. Now we're gonna blend it. So after 30 seconds of blending, we're gonna pour it into a glass and enjoy.